So mistakes have been made, lessons have been learned. I've learned to put more supports on because, oh, that's still covered in resin. I tried hollowing out the base and putting drain holes, and the base wouldn't hold the figure. Then I learned to not make the figure too tiny because half of her fingers are, no, not that one. One of these supports has half her fingers attached to it still. Oh, and then this one, make sure supports on other figures or other things aren't going through it. So I put somebody else's, or hush. That was another mistake. Don't leave your stuff in there overnight, because I left the legs and the chest in overnight, and well, they don't look so good anymore, and they're kind of super squishy. And it's got a cool mummy wrap texture, but that's no longer good. Oop. This one's no longer good. The only good print we've had was the skirt to go over the legs, which was supposed to go over these. But I made sure to not leave this one in overnight. So, and I've learned to make the auto supports smaller. And I don't know, a bunch of other things. But basically, don't print it too small. Don't put other supports through an object. Make sure you have enough supports, and don't leave stuff in overnight. As far as painting goes, I really don't have much for that. I've been learning how to support files. I spent 12 hours on the computer yesterday learning how to get everything ready for printing and the do's and don'ts. And then I've been learning what to do. So sorry for the bad camera work today. Put that on. Don't leave the legs in overnight. Oh, and other thing I learned, make sure the things are completely dry. Because I had a good print, put it into cure, and the wet resin that was still on it cured as well. So I'm just gonna, so there's been a lot of learning. So I'm going to get the supports off that, get that cured, and then I got to work on all these little puck marks. I mean, I don't have a lot of sanding room on this, so I got to be real careful. So the inside, it looks alright, but it's mostly just this back side right here. So, well, a lot of learning, a lot of mistakes, but honestly, I'm still enjoying it. Alright, later.